Hello dear viewers, how are you? I hope that all of you are fine, and today we are going to discuss about the types of sentences based on its function. But before going to start this, let me give you one example that what a sentence is. A sentence can be defined by different ways, but I have the three conditions to define a sentence. The first condition is it should be a group of words. For example, play, I, cricket. Yes, does it make any sense? No. For that thing, we should put the second condition that it should follow standard British sentence structure. It should follow certain structure which is subject, verb and object. It is not compulsory to add object every time. We can make the sentence with a subject and a verb. I play cricket. Here, the third condition is applied that it should have a complete thought. It should have a complete sense. I play cricket, it shows a complete sense, it shows a complete thought. So a sentence must have these three conditions. Afterwards, we can say that it is a sentence. But sentence have a different types based on its structure, based on its function. Today, we are going to discuss about the types of sentences based on its function. On the basis of its function, we have 5 different types. First of all, we have the declarative sentence. Second one, we have the imperative sentence. Then we have interrogative sentences, and later on we have the two similar but little bit different optative and exclamative sentences. So let's start our video. In the first thing, we have the declarative sentence. Declarative sentence is to declare or state something, or we can say that it is just a statement. It can be named as a declarative sentence. It can be named as assertive sentence. It can be named as a statement. Okay, it has a different names, but it always follows some statement. For example, I'm teaching in the class. You are listening me on the YouTube. The room is full of the lights. I'm writing on the whiteboard. I'm a doctor. Henry is a sick. Boys are playing in the ground. It has a positive statement. It has a negative statement. It can have emphatic statement on the basis of the different reasons. So it should end with a full stop. The one condition that it requires is it should end with a full stop. I'm a doctor, Henry is a sick, boys are playing in the ground. Boys are not playing in the ground. That is a negative thing. That one is emphatic. For example, I can speak 5 languages. Yes, I can speak 5 languages. I can speak English, I can speak Urdu, I can speak Hindi, I can speak Persian, I can speak Arabic. All of these languages I can speak because they are in the Pakistan we are the multilingual, we are the polyglot here. We must obey our parents. Here must, can, these are from the modal verbs. So all of these statements which can be positive, which can be negative, which can be emphatic, that are in the declarative sentence. A little bit same but little bit different is imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? This is a second in this type. Imperative sentence contains some orders, some requests, some commands, some warning. Your teachers say stand up, open your books, shut the door, open the door, improve your writing. Although my teachers say every time that improve your writing. So I say that I am a doctor by my writing. So the doctors have little bit different writing, handwriting. So that is another thing. Order, request, command. It starts with not a standard, but it starts with the verb plus object, just like this. Open, this is a verb. It starts with the verb. Open the door, which is the object. Open the door. But you will question about this thing that where is the subject. Here in this type of sentences, you is always understood that it is always understood. For example, whenever I am watching a cricket match, somebody said catch. Does it mean the catch? It means you catch, you play. You is always understood in imperative sentences. Open the door, improve your handwriting. It is also ended by full stop. Please make a cup of tea for me. That is a request. Catch it. Here it means you catch it. You improve your handwriting. So here you is always understood. It is used for the command. It is used for order or something else. Now we are moving to the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are those sentences which are used to ask some question. What is your name? Why you are watching my video? Why you have not still subscribe to my channel. So these type of the sentences are in the interrogative sentences. We can make it with the two different ways. First of all, we can make it with the WH family. What, where, when, which, how. We can make sentences with this just to put WH family at the start of the sentence. For example, what is your name? Who you are? Why did you plow the mountain? How did she pass exam without preparation? How she can do this? For example, we can say that how she can pass without preparation. So these type of the question with the WH family can be asked in the interrogative sentence, and we can make interrogative sentences by the helping verb, by taking helping verb at the start of the sentence. For example, is she playing outside? Question mark here. Will you go to Islamabad? Question mark is there. May I come in, sir? Question mark there. So these type of sentences are always asked in the interrogative sentence. Now moving forward to the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence are used to show our emotions, our feelings, our certain outbursts. For example, if I am angry, if I am happy, if I am feeling sorrow, or if I am sad, I can express it through my language. Through you can observe it that I was happy at that moment, I was feeling grief at that moment, but in the writing, that how I can show that what was my emotion at that time. So for that purpose, we use exclamation mark, which is inverted I, a sentence which expresses strong emotions, certain outbursts of feeling. Excitement is called exclamatory sentences. For example, for different joy, sorrow, surprise, disgust, anger, we have different exclamatory words. We can utilize it there. For example, hurrah is used for the joy. Hurrah, we won the match. Afterwards, we put exclamatory mark. Alas, that is for the sadness. We also know about this. His mother died yesterday. Bravo, we did it again. Ouch, it hurts. When suddenly something hits us, so we say the ouch, it hurts. So for that purpose, we put the exclamatory words. Sometimes the whole sentence shows exclamation. For example, if I move to some other areas and if I said see any type of scenery there, I might say that, wow, what a beautiful scenery. So for the whole sentence, it shows the exclamation. For that purpose, I have to put the exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. What an idea. You gave me a brilliant idea. So I said that, what an idea. So you have given me that particular idea. So for that purpose, I have to put exclamation mark afterwards. The whole sentence shows the exclamation, the feeling there. Although it is used in the informal language. Imperative sentences, declarative sentences, and interrogative sentences. They might be in your books, but you haven't found exclamatory sentences in your subjects. For example, in the chemistry, in physics, in biology, you didn't observe, you didn't find as well that there is a inverted comma there, exclamatory sentence. It is used for informal language. For the formal languages, we use declarative sentences. Mostly we use declarative sentences. What is optative sentences? Optative sentences are for the prayer and the wish. For example, may you live long. So these type of sentences are in the category of the optative sentences. For example, we say that, may Allah bless you. Afterwards, we put exclamation mark. May you live long. Would that you were rich. Afterwards, we have to put exclamatory mark there. So these type of sentences, we have on the basis of its function, we have the declarative sentence, which can be called assertive sentence, which can be called a statement. Afterwards, we have the imperative sentence. Then we have the interrogative sentence. Afterwards, we have discussed about the exclamatory sentence and optative sentence. I hope that this video is beneficial for you and it improves your knowledge, or at least refresh your knowledge. And if you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel, because it takes a lot of effort to make these type of videos. So kindly like, share, and subscribe my channel.